Hi, in this video we are going to continue our case study. We are going to go into slicing. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The references for this video can be found on this website, and I have already loaded it here. If you remember where we stopped, we were stopping at fireworks. We have finished doing the curtain, the content, and everything, so this image is good. So the next step we're going to do is to slice the image into different smaller images, and some of them will be used for our CSS and HTML coding. Lock all the rest of the layers, only leave with the web layer unlocked. And under web, there's a tool called Slice Tool. Okay, choose that. Do not be confused with the hotspot tool. They are different stuff, although they appear the same on the image. So make sure you choose the Slice tool. If you use the wrong tool, the only thing to undo it is to redo everything again. Okay, so that's bad. So make sure you choose the Slice tool. The first slice we are going to do is the top. Okay, I think it's 980 times 15 with 0, 0. The second slice we are going to do is this one. Okay, so it's 40 times 65, starting position at 0, 15. The third slice we are going to do is the First Presbyterian Church title bar. Make sure they don't overlap. Okay, if they overlap, it's not very nice. So that will be 410 times 49, 40, and 15. And then the next slice you want is here. Four 16, 40, and 64. The next one obviously is the one next to it. $55, 65, 450, 15, followed by now a little bit. Okay, so we need to zoom in. Let's say 200. The next one is here. Four 357, 505, 15, followed by the navigation bar. How you slice it, there's no straight rules of exactly how you should slice, but generally you will want to do something that is going to help your coding next time, easy to code in CSS. Okay, just imagine if you code the CSS box model around all this stuff, what they will be like. So the next one is 435, 40, 505, and 40. The final piece is pretty straightforward. You will be um, 40, 65, 940, 50. Okay. I guess the next one is you can zoom it out. Okay, you can zoom it out to 100%, and obviously the next one is your image here. Okay, that would be 980 times 140, 080. Let me quickly save my work just in case. Okay, the next slice will be this one. Okay, so that's pretty easy to do. The following one will be slightly more complicated because you need to consider that this buttons are going to be hyperlinks. Okay, so let me just zoom in a little bit. So you have one here. Okay. Take note of the reading here. Okay. One here. Next one. Next one. Next one. Okay, so far so good. Alright, the next one is slightly more complicated. Followed by this one, another image for hyperlink, gap in between, image for hyperlink, and finally the last one here. Okay, so this probably is the most complicated. So we zoom out, and the next we are going to have two rows. Here and here. And we are going to have the gap here. And some space for the text. When you actually do the text in HTML, probably we're going to use tables later, but anyway, we're just going to finish it here and here. Another slice for this text here. And finally the bottom. Okay. I have a feeling that I need to zoom in soon. Alright, let's do this one first. Okay. Let me zoom in a little bit. I actually do not want it to cover the shadow here, so I'm just going to change the page to 15. Okay, and then I'm going to create something really thin. Okay, I'm going to create something really thin. Take care of that one. So I'm going to create something 2 pixels thin. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and I guess I can zoom out. I guess 200 is alright. 150 or 200 is alright. Another row here. Yep. Undo. Okay. And the bottom navigation will be filled by HTML code. So we need to create some slices beside it. Okay, I think I will need 2 more below. Yes, 2 or 1. I think I will need 2. Let me zoom in a little bit. One more slice here. And one last slice below. Zoom in. Of course, all these small slices are actually not necessary if you don't mind to sacrifice storage space, but I want to make my HTML and CSS file and all the images files as small as possible. That's the main reason I need to do that. And let's save this. Save your work. And now you can lock the web layer so you have finished your slicing. So next video we are going to export this and code in HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching.